Hey, this is Paul, and today I'm going to show you how I thin my young citrus trees. This is a Sharanui decopon, also known as a sumocitrus, and if you come up here you can see a bunch of fruit set, which we actually don't want because it's a young plant that's been grafted recently. So what you do is you just want to pluck all of these off so it will promote growth for foliage instead of sending energy to the fruit production. Now, if you look carefully, some of them are starting to abort already. See how this one's yellow? So that one would pop off anyways, but I'll just help accelerate the process.
There's a lot of them too.
There are, and I didn't do anything. It just had a huge flush. I did fertilize it with 20-20-20, and it just had a huge wave of blooms. And you can see just how much of the energy is now promoted, or going towards, I should say, these young little fruit. You can see here's one that just set right there. So it's very easy for these flowers to pollinate them, I would assume themselves, and set fruit, as you can see. So just quickly look at how many I've already grabbed. And doing this is a vital step because now I'm going to get a lot of growth all summer for the canopy. And maybe next year I might keep one fruit on this. Maybe not, I'll have to see how much it grows. But usually they say you want to wait about 2 years after you get a small sleeve like this. So this was a $60 sleeve. It's grafted to a carrizo rootstock down here. We have one on trifoliate as well. You can see this is a Sharanui on carrizo rootstock. So if you see any suckers at the bottom of the rootstock, you're going to want to prune those off as well. And if you look, Scott, there's even more. I'm going to continue this process. You can see there's just so many. It's such a fertile little plant. It needs to be trained that it needs to be into growth mode instead of fruit mode. So I'll finish this up a little later, but as you can see, that is a key method to getting nice, healthy foliage and better fruit in the future. So there you go, give us a like and a subscribe and we'll keep them coming. As you can see, we have quite a few new little citrus here, Tahoe Gold, Oro Blanco, and more. So we put these citrus trees here in a full sun on a south-facing slope so we can maximize the sun exposure on these and get the sweetest fruit possible. So have a great day and thanks for watching. Take care.